Hello guys, it's Aizzah here. So today I would like to show you guys on how to create a logo using Canva application. So to make our shop being known and recognized by buyers, it is essential for us to come with our very own logo. That's one of ways on how to tell people that we are exist in business industry. Hire people to produce business logo for our company may cost us arm and leg, so I decided to share with all of you on how to create our business logo based on our creativity in the easiest way.
The first step is open the Canva application using your preferred device. Here, there are three major sections like templates, features, and learn at the front page of Canva application. For the templates, it is divided to 6 sections, which is social media, personal, business, marketing, education, and trending. There are 46 selections altogether that you can produce new creations using Canva application. At the business part, click the logo wording. Alright, as you can see, this is the logo section of Canva. Plenty of ready-made logo design here. You can observe which colors, fonts, and shape or anything that suits your liking to be applied on your upcoming logo. You can go through of any logo to identify what fonts and color that they apply for their logo. After done with your observation, let's begin producing logo by click at the Create a Blank Logo. If you want to resize the size of your logo, you can click the resize button and custom the size. As for me, I will change it to 1200 pixels. And then click at the resize button. Okay, at the left side of the logo border, click the text button and choose add a heading. Then write the name of your business. After that, you can select any font that you are into with. As for me, I will use the Kathleen font for this example logo. Then adjust the size of your font. Or you can even drag in or drag out the words to adjust the size. Then go to the Elements button and find any icon that relates with your business name. As for me, I will search for hijab icon because that defines my current business is. As you can see, there are numerous of hijab icons option that I can pick. I will choose this one because it seems so nice to my eyes. Still at the same part, which is element, you can search for any background shape to put at the back of icon to make it look nicer. As for me, I will look for blue circle because I really love blue color. As you can see, there are numerous of blue circle that you can pick for your background. As for me, I will choose this blue circle. After that, tap a right click on your mouse and send it to backward. Then adjust the background size so that it will look nice along with the font and icon. At this part too, you can adjust the transparency of the background color. Under the download button, there will be transparency button, and there you go. You can balance out the transparency based on your preference. As for me, I will stick to the original one. It will become like this if you click the transparency button. Then, I will look for black circle to cover around the blue background. I will choose the plain one like this one. Please ensure that you alter the black circle and the blue background rightly so that the outcome will look smooth. It's all based on your preference or your creativity. After you're satisfied with your design, you can save it immediately. To save your design, click at the three dots button and choose the download. Do not forget to choose the PNG file for the high quality image and click at the transparent background box. And lastly, click the download button. Please wait for a while. To see the design in a clearer way, open your file on your device and search at the download section.
Thank you for watching. I hope that tutorial video on how to create your own logo using Canva application may be a useful one for you guys in creating your own logo.